Klaseng halaman to. Kasi maganda siya. Ayan siya. Yung nasa saan pa. Tapos kinuha ko siya. Actually, yung dahon niya pabilog. Ay, pabilog na to. Tapos, pag ginanon mo, may tubig. Ayan, oh. May tubig yung dahon niya. And I don't know if this is poisonous. Careful, don't.
It's sure.
Ito, oh. Press, Press the leaves. And you can see there's a water on it inside. Huh? May tubig yung dahon.
Oh, look at my hand.
Look at your hand. It's wet. Ano kaya to?
Oh, mama, elephant.
Kasi mostly, kinakain. Hindi ka kumakain.
Look at all my hands. Yeah.
Para siyang aloe vera.
Oh,
Kasi mabasa-basa. Ayan, oh. Nabasa. Pinatay namin yung isang ito naman yung isa. Yan siya. Lala, don't sa... Ay, nako. But you need to wash your hand, ha? Maybe it's not good. Maybe there is something can affect. Sobrang init pero ang daming halaman na tumutubo.
eat that.
La, don't eat it. No, but then you will die. Sige, try Hazaan. You can see your mom again.
Huh?
Try to eat it and you can see your mom again.
I can't.
Yes, because if you eat it, if this is poisonous, you will die easily.
If it's not poisonous.
I don't know. We don't know if this is poisonous or no. We don't have a hint. Ay, nako, yung batang to. Lahat na lang. Ito yung maliit na halaman. Pag lalaki siya, ito na siya. Ito na yun, pag lalaki. Yan. At magiging may bunga. Ayan yung bunga. Yan, tawag kong dates dito. Ting dates na naman. Ang daming doon. Ito. Pag may bunga at saka hinog na to, kukuha ako. Ay,